In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a successful automation, commonly known as a Zap, using Zapier to streamline your workflow. We'll connect two powerful tools, Paperform and ConvertBox, to ensure your submissions flow seamlessly. So let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to log into your Zapier account and create a new Zap. Think of a Zap as a bridge that connects one app to another, automating repetitive tasks without any manual intervention. To begin, you'll need to set the trigger. Now, a trigger is an event that starts a Zap. In our case, choose Paperform as your app. This will monitor for new submissions as the trigger event. Once you've selected these options, connect your Paperform account. Zapier will guide you through the authentication steps, which typically involve logging in and granting necessary permissions. After connecting, select the specific form you've already created that will initiate this automation. Next, let's move on to setting the action. The action is what happens as a result of the trigger. Here you'll select ConvertBox as the app and choose an action like Add Subscriber or any action that fits the flow you're aiming for. To enable this, you'll need to authenticate your ConvertBox account with Zapier. This process is similar to what you did with Paperform, ensuring Zapier has the correct access to execute tasks within ConvertBox. Once connected, it's time to map the fields. This is a crucial step where you'll configure which information from your Paperform submission, such as email or name, should align with the appropriate corresponding fields in ConvertBox. Mapping ensures the data transfers accurately and lands in the right places, maintaining the integrity of your workflow. After mapping, run a test to see how your Zap functions. Zapier offers a testing feature whereby you can check if everything is configured correctly and that data flows without a hitch. If the test is successful, go ahead and turn on the Zap. This activation means the process is live, ready to automatically execute whenever the trigger event occurs. Now, let's configure your ConvertBox. In your ConvertBox account, create a new ConvertBox. This might be a form or another interactive element that will display once the automation is triggered. In addition, set up any form actions needed within ConvertBox. For instance, decide whether you want it to jump to another step or redirect the user to a specified URL after submission. Lastly, double-check that all your integrations, such as any email services you use, are correctly connected within ConvertBox. Verifying these settings ensures that all your data is flowing smoothly and that no critical piece of information gets lost in transition. And there you have it, a fully automated process connecting Paperform and ConvertBox via Zapier. This setup saves time and reduces manual labor, letting you focus on more strategic aspects of your business. Keep an eye on your workflows, ensuring they run as expected, and make adjustments as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy automating!